Me ollaan menossa.
Vihaan.
Mihin?
Vihaan.
Eli Eestiin, a.k.a. Aitomäki, a.k.a. Kari Aitomäken kotikaupunki. Tallinna.
Let's go!
Double Whopper. Ruutola Pekonen.
Noniin.
Kello on jonkun verran. Laivan lähtöön 3 tuntia. Hyvä. Lähtiin täällä Jönssiä vauhtiin. Tästä pikkuhiljaa lähtee sitten eteenpäin.
Party, party, yeah, yeah. Ibiza, we are right.
And in my mind, in my head, this is where we all came from. The dreams we have, the love we share, this is what we're waiting for.
Mikä fiilis? Mikä fiilis? Ihan hyvä fiilis. Mikä fiilis? Mikä fiilis? Mikä fiilis? Vittu hyvä! Mikä vitun fiilis? Mikä fiilis? Onks hyvä fiilis?
Summer. Why does the DJ keep on playing Summertime Sadness? After you get out of the bathroom, can we go smoke a cigarette? I really need one. But first, let me take a selfie.
There was a time I used to look into my father's eyes. In a happy home, I was a king, I had a golden throne. Those days are gone, now the memories on the wall.
Mitä mieltä risteilyys?
The places where I was born. Upon a hill across the blue lake, that's where I had my first heartbreak. I still remember how it all changed. My father said, don't you worry, child. See, heaven's got a plan for you. Don't you worry now. What goes on?
Jätkät, me ollaan maissa. Herätys!
Me ollaan maissa.
Jätkät, hei!
Hei, Viroon pääsee kohta. Viroon pääsee.
Joona, hei! Nyt päästään Viroon!
Viru, välkeä. Kuule ottelemassa, kuule Viroota. No niin, tule Joona, ylös.
Tule! Pääsemme Viroon!
Light me up a cigarette and put it in my mouth. You're the only one that wants me around, and I can think of 1,000 reasons why I don't believe in you. I don't believe in you, and I light me up a cigarette.
be all I think of. We try and stay afloat, but know the way to sink us. I say the problem solved once you forget the question, but you go ask again, cause you ain't learned your lesson. Into the heavens, I promise you no regrets, for my mind is left in the past, so that promise was never kept. To be honest.
Huomenta päivää. Suussa maistuu hiekka ja paska. Nesteytys ei ole enää kunnossa.
Multa pöllittiin 75 € ja meidän pommi tahti puoli tuntia siitä, kun tultiin risteilyllä.
Että kaikin puolin aika helvetin hyvä vanha 2015 risteily. Kiitos kaikille, jotka olitte messissä.
Hei, kiitti kaikille.
Peace out.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through, that I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I would do, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way, from where we began.
You know, we started.